In this video, you'll learn how to connect Claude Code to your API key. By following these steps, you will be able to set up the connection and start using Claude effectively. Begin by obtaining your API key. To do this, navigate to the Anthropic console. Once you are in the console, locate your API key, which will start with SCEC. This key is essential for the connection process. Ensure you copy it accurately, as any mistakes may prevent the connection from working. Next, open your terminal application. If you are using a Mac or Linux system, open the terminal app. For Windows users, launch PowerShell. Once you have your terminal open, you will need to run a command to set your API key as environment variable. For Mac or Linux users, type the following command: export 8 Anthropic _API _key =, SK actual key here, with the actual key you copied earlier. After entering the command, press enter. This action sets the environment variable for the current session, allowing Claude to access your API key. If you are using Windows PowerShell, the command will be slightly different. Type $end Anthropic API key =, your actual key. Here, again, make sure to replace SKER actual key here with your actual API key. After entering the commands, press enter to set the environment variable in PowerShell. Once you have successfully set the API key, you are ready to start Claude in the same terminal window. Type Claude and hit enter. This command initiates Claude, connecting it to the API key you just set. It is important to note that you must have prepaid credits loaded in your Anthropic console account with a minimum amount of $5. This requirement is separate from any monthly chat subscription you might have. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.